Hi, this is Vinay. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Astrologic, where I dive deep into the realms of astrology, numerology, Vastu, and the law of attraction to transform your life using the ancient wisdom of Vedic science. Every Saturday, I bring you captivating and enlightening videos designed to unlock the hidden potential within you and guide you towards a path of harmony, abundance, and fulfillment. I also post a YouTube Shorts video every Wednesday. I have been practicing Vedic science, that is astrology, numerology, Vastu, for many years now, and I have been initiated by 3 Gurujis. I am also a trained and certified Law of Attraction coach. For free consultation on any of the coming Saturdays, you can WhatsApp us on the number shown on the screen. You also stand a chance to get a free personalized numerology report for yourself. Finally, subscribe to my channel and embark on a transformative journey that will empower you to unlock your true potential, attract abundance, and live a life of purpose and joy. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಚಂದ್ರಿಕಾ. ಈಗ 1 ತಿಂಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಾನು ವಿನಯ್ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಶನೈಶ್ಚರ ಗ್ರಹದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶನೈಶ್ಚರನ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಎನ್ನೋದು ಯಾರೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ. ತುಂಬ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಯಾರು ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್. ವಿನಯ್ ಗುರೂಜಿ ಅವರು, ನಾನು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಬರ್ತ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಇವರೇನೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಈ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ಇಂಟೆಲೆಕ್ಚುವಲ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ಸು ಈ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದರು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಯುರೇಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಯುರೇಟಾಗಿ ಜಾತಕವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಈ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಈ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಯುರೇಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಅವರು ಕೊಡುವ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು, ಏನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚಾಗದೇ ಇರೋ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು. ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ವೆರಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡ್ರೇಟು. ಅವರ ಫೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನಾಮಿನಲ್. ಬೇರೆ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ಸು ವಿಪರೀತ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು ವಿಪರೀತ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿನಯ್ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲದೆ ಅವರ ಫೀಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರುಗಳು ನನ್ನ ವಿನಂತಿ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೇನೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅವರನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಯುರೇಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
In today's bustling world, everyone deals with stress from time to time. Some people wallow in anxiety and misery, whereas others face stressful situations like it's a cakewalk. Some people are adept at keeping a cool head and taking control of the situation, no matter how stressful the situation. Are you one of these people? The answer lies in your sun signs. Some signs have inherent qualities that enable them to deal with stressful situations. So, this video will explore the zodiac signs that excel in stress management. zodiac signs that are great at handling stressful situations. Astrology links our stress responses to our signs. Each sun sign has outstanding attributes that can impact how they handle pressure. Some signs are better at remaining calm during stressful situations and can think on their feet. They are good at not doing things that can worsen the situation. They are great at containing a crisis so that things don't escalate. Knowing the signs can help you understand yourself and others around you better. Capricorn, December 22nd, January 19th. Driven by determination, discipline, and perseverance, Capricorns are born leaders in stressful situations. A Capricorn is the best person to learn from the art of staying cool during stress. Being a Capricorn, you have a lot of patience that doesn't let you cave into distress. You won't take any action that makes the situation worse. Your sense of responsibility, disciplined approach, and strong work ethic allow you to stay focused and work tirelessly to overcome adversities. You react logically and calmly, which has a positive effect on everyone near you. Leo, the fire sign born between July 23rd and August 22nd, have incredible leadership skills. They know how to face their problems head on, no matter what. You have the confidence and charisma to overcome stressful situations and inspire others. You use your fixed nature to remain balanced and not give in when it comes to stressful circumstances. Your sense of humor entitles you to infuse humor into a high-stress situation. This further facilitates you to keep your cool and prosper under pressure. Taurus, the earth sign born between April 20th and May 20th, is notable for its stability, groundedness, and practicality. No wonder Taurians are the people one can rely on during a stressful situation. When faced with an anxious situation, you rely on your systematic approach to find solutions. Your determination enables you to maintain stability and calm amidst chaos. You are also generous, which allows you to help anyone in a high-stress situation. Once you have committed, you'll devise a solution even when things get complicated. Aquarius, the air sign born between January 20th and February 18th, is well known for being analytical, innovative, progressive, and confident. Hence, if there is a high-stress situation, an Aquarian is the right person to help. Your ability to detach and not get emotionally involved allows you to be a great help in stressful situations. You can remain aloof while being aware of what is happening around you. This will enable you to use your innovative mind and the resources available to overcome stressful circumstances. Handling stress effectively is a prized ability. However, it's a myth that only certain zodiac signs can handle stress well. While these 4 signs have natural strengths to handle stress like a boss, anyone can develop effective stress management skills with awareness and practice. Understanding how zodiac signs deal with stress can provide insights into coping mechanisms. This can provide you with new perspectives and useful information to help you handle stress effectively and enhance your stress management strategies. Finally, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, please take care.